Hi, my name is Magpayo. I'm a filmmaker and photographer. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox, set up, and review the LoopAlloy dual arms monitor mount and the LoopAlloy laptop VESA holder. Why do I need a dual arms monitor mount when all monitors come with a stand? I have 3 reasons why. First is freeing up desk space and reduce clutter. Second, adjustability and flexibility. And third reason is expandability. I can add more components to my existing dual monitor arm setup. Now let's do the unboxing.
This is the user's manual. This is half of the adjustable table clamp brace. This is the bottom half of the table clamp. Neatly packed parts and tools. This is the center pole. This is the swivel arm. These are the VESA plates and the gourmet base plate. Make sure that you check and identify all the parts before you proceed with the assembly. Unboxing the laptop holder. User's manual. Retractable side clips. This is the LoopAlloy VESA mount laptop holder. Prepare the brace, clamp, and the pole. Install the clamp brace to the center pole using the 3 pieces bolts found at the end of the pole. Use one of the provided Allen wrench and tighten. For demonstration purposes, I am just using a 2x4 wood to protect the plastic tabletop. Connect the clamp to the brace using the 2 bolts according to the thickness of your table. Clamp the pole to your table. Place the swivel arm over the pole and tighten with Allen wrench. Detach the monitor from the stand. Attach the VESA plate to the monitor. Slide the monitor onto the head of the swivel arm. Install the security nut. This prevents the monitor from dislodging when you pivot the monitor. Install the retractable side clip to the laptop holder. Attach the VESA plate to the laptop holder. Tighten with Phillips screwdriver. Unscrew the security nut. Slide in the laptop holder onto the swivel arm. Secure with the security nut. Attach the cable management clips on the swivel arms and to the center pole. Clip the laptop on the laptop holder.
At first touch, the LoopAlloy monitor arms are solidly built. It's all metal construction. Everything was neatly packed and organized, and it is easy to assemble. The table clamp is also thick gauge metal and is adjustable to fit tables up to 4-inch thick. The package comes with an Allen wrench, and you also need a standard Phillips screwdriver to assemble the unit. The package also includes cable management clips to further streamline your setup. It fits monitors with VESA mount, which is quite standard for most modern monitors. The laptop holder cradles the laptop securely and is very sturdy when mounted on the monitor arm. Above all the positive things that I have said about LoopAlloy, the best feature is the price. I have searched Lazada and Shopee for dual monitor and triple monitor arms, and most are very expensive, until I found LoopAlloy on Facebook. Aside from that, you can chat with the LoopAlloy representative so you can customize your setup depending on the equipment that you need to mount. The only cons I can think about is, why didn't I find it sooner? This is for gamers and tech geeks who wants their workstation to look better and clutter-free. I guarantee you will not regret buying this. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified of my upcoming videos. In my next video, I'm going to show you the evolution of my workstation that spanned over 20 years. Thank you for watching.